This 5-pack of Moread DisplayPort DP to VGA adapters is a lifesaver. These adapters are like little bridges. They connect newer computers to older displays. Each adapter has a gold-plated connector. This ensures a reliable signal. You get 5 adapters, so you have plenty. This is great for homes or offices. Furthermore, the black color is sleek. It blends in nicely with your existing setup. These adapters are male to female. This makes them easy to use. Setting up the Moread DisplayPort DP to VGA adapter is simple. Just plug it in. There are no drivers needed. It's truly plug and play. This means less hassle for you. You can connect your laptop to a projector, or hook up your desktop to an older monitor. The picture quality is clear. Colors look vibrant. I was impressed by the performance. Additionally, the compact size is a plus. They are easy to store, and they are easy to transport. This makes them ideal for presentations. Moreover, they are very durable. Overall, the Moread DisplayPort DP to VGA adapter is an excellent value. It solves a common compatibility problem. This 5-pack provides great flexibility. Consequently, you can connect many devices. For example, use it with a computer, or a desktop, or even an HD TV. The gold plating helps maintain signal integrity. Therefore, you get a consistent picture. This product is a smart investment. It helps extend the life of your older equipment. Indeed, it's a must-have for anyone. Pros: resolved with a VGA monitor. Exactly what I needed. Did the trick. Works easy to use. Good quality. Works well. So simple to use. Monitor was up and going. Does what I needed. Works as intended. Great quality features. DisplayPort to VGA 5-pack quantity. Gold-plated connectors. Male DP to female VGA. Computer compatible. Laptop compatible. Monitor compatible. Projector compatible. HD TV compatible. Black color. This is a 5-pack of black Moread DisplayPort to VGA adapters. They have gold-plated connectors for a good signal. These adapters connect a computer, laptop, or PC with a DisplayPort output to a monitor, projector, or HD TV that uses a VGA input. It's a simple way to connect newer devices to older screens. The Moread DisplayPort to VGA adapter is a highly effective and easy-to-use solution for connecting devices. Users found that it worked exactly as needed, quickly getting their VGA monitors up and running. It's praised for its simplicity, good quality, and reliable performance.